Xperia 1 Mark V. How to do updates. First, it will tell you it has updates. Press here. It will tell you it needs to do updates. Pretty simple. If you want to check settings, system, software update. Nothing here, it's all here. System 416 mega, so that's pretty significant. Let's press update. Battery is charging, gets a bit warm. Okay, let's see what it does next. Installing already. It's installing. Oh, that's pretty fast. Hope it doesn't get too hot. Here in this area the processor gets a bit warm. Okay, it's doing the updates. Got a bit warm around here. This area here. It gets a bit hot when it's doing updates, so it's better to, when it's doing updates, better don't do anything else. Let it finish the updates. I hope steps 2 and 3 will be a little bit faster, really. Step 1 took some time, 400 mega update. It downloaded it already, but it takes a long time to apply it. I'm not sure which one it is, and I really hope the phone still works after. They're servicing the phone at the back here. This guy, he's waving, and they're like a pit stop in the Formula 1. Quick service. It doesn't seem to be so quick on this one. Yeah, why is that one running? Got a bit warm around here. This area here. It gets a bit hot when it's doing updates, so it's better to, when it's doing updates, better don't do anything else. Let it finish the updates. Okay, it's still doing it. Downloaded it already, but it takes a long time to apply it. 67.0.A.4.22. First I do the update, and later I found out what it's about, so hope it's nothing bad. Shouldn't be anything bad. You should do the updates when they come. Just do the update. You get some nice features or not, security patches, but it's good to do the updates. 99%. Okay, 99%. Come on, do like these guys, really fast. Yeah, I knew it. Step 2 is fast. Step 2 should be faster. Okay, come on. Step 2. Not that fast after all, apparently. Okay. And the power bank. 2 power banks. Better than one. Ready to switch, but I'll wait until the update is finished. Just in case. Don't wanna ruin it. Who knows? Yeah, update 3 is much faster. Looks like it's gonna finish finally. Okay, I think we're getting there. It's gonna be done soon. 88%, 90%, 91%. Phone got a bit warm, but not like the first time when I set it up. Not bad. I don't know if this is plastic or metal. I think it's metal, but it feels a bit like plastic. I'm not sure. Okay. Update is finished. 67.0.A.4.22 22 416.8 megabytes. It needs a restart. It needs a restart. I close it. Okay, I close it. Okay, let's do the restart. So it's not yet updated. I have to restart it and then it's updated. Okay, let's see one thing here. This is the build number 67.0.A.127. Device XQ-DQ54, the EU model, and updated to 67.0.A.4.22 416.8 megabytes. Okay, it's starting up, seems like. Found the network, Wi-Fi, everything. Some cache got cleared. Let's see the software version. system software update, and it's done. Okay, this is on apps. Let's try for system. .A.4.22 now. Still Android 13.